Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this session we are going to talk about all counseling updates, registration date, choice filling and all such things. Okay, as you can see on the screen, and we will talk about the update about the NMC bill, which states are going to implement the NMC bill, and about the seat increment and seat metrics when it's published. So if you are new to the channel, you can subscribe it. You can also avail our paid counseling guidance. The slot is still available, and the registration for all India, uh, one day is completed. Okay, those who didn't start the registration, many of the queries are already sorted out, and you would have seen the notifications on MCC. Please check out all the notifications so that your queries are already clear out, and then start with the registration process. Please make sure that you don't do any mistake. Okay, otherwise you need to spend sleepless night due to tension. Okay, so, talking about state counseling updates, all India, as it's going on, it's as per its schedule. The registration from 15th to 23rd. Choice filling will start from 20th of September until 25th. So 6 days time given for the choice filling. Seat matrix is expected between 17, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. You can expect seat matrix. Andhra Pradesh registration for CAT A and CAT B both are closed. For Cat A closed on 14th, Cat A got over yesterday. Whichever state is open, I have written it open in the bracket against the counseling name. Andhra Pradesh is open. Bihar, Chhattisgarh, they have not released their registration process or notification as such. Gujarat state had released its registration yesterday, and the registration already started. It will go on until 21st of September. You can do the verification process as well. You can also do the CPS registration along with it for Gujarat CPS. Haryana state has not released any notification as such, and is also open states. There are free private medical colleges in Haryana. Himachal Pradesh has released its notification yesterday, and the registration will go on until 20th of September. For the paid members and all, I have shared the details in the group. Okay, and Karnataka, the most awaited counseling, has not released is the update notification. Kerala closed its registration on 22nd. Maharashtra state is also much awaited counseling, has not released its notification. Madhya Pradesh, the registration is going on and it will go on up to 21st. They also published their choice filling date from 24th to 26th, and result will be published on 1st of October. Pondicherry long back had closed its registration process in July month, and Punjab closed its registration on September 7th. Rajasthan, the registration will start from 19th and it will go on 25th. Rajasthan is open state. For Tamil Nadu state competent authority quota, government quota, management quota, the counseling is on hold due to High Court in service case, court case. Telangana just closed the registration process for CAT A, which got closed on 30th of August. For CAT B is not released. For Uttarakhand also is awaited. Three more state of Odisha, the registration started and it will go on up to 20th of September. For Uttar Pradesh, there's also much awaited registration, has not released its notification, and West Bengal also has not released its notification. So this is the complete update about the counseling. I am creating such video for your benefit so that you don't miss out at least registration process when you have to do it. And apart from the registration, the choice filling is the most important point. And let me share few things which is very important. Okay, or I'll try to create a separate video also. Let get you a glimpse of it. What is the important part in the counseling? Analysis, and based on the analysis, the implementation. So you do the analysis about the choice filling, getting the knowledge about the colleges, is fee structure, any hidden fee, stipend, bond, how good is the college for particular branch, one of the analysis. Second analysis, when the counseling runs, Okay, so within a short duration, you have to take the decision. Decision about what? Up to what colleges you have to do the choice filling in particular state counseling, and in other state counseling or national level. Why it's important? Why you should not choose all the options? Suppose you choose all the options and you got like very average or mediocre college in your rank in some of the states, you will get a feeling that okay, I already got a seat, so let's join it. And if you don't understand the rule clearly and you joined it, it might prevent you going for other state or taking the seat in other state. So it is very important to understand the process, the rules, particularly for particular counseling, because the rules won't be same. It's not common platform. The counseling getting conducted for national level at MCC platform or for different states, different rules, eligibility criteria, upgradation rules, and the free exit criteria. All such things are different. Okay, so it's very important to understand the rules, analyze it, and take the decision accordingly. Then only you can do the counseling in nice way. Okay, and that's where there is a need comes to have like expert counselor if you're not able to do so on your own. One decision in the counseling might change your life. Real. I have seen in very good rank the candidate waited for top clinical subject, radio diagnosis DNB, but they failed to get it and they managed it some very lower clinical subject in round two. But the candidate who was having poor rank than them, they got the seat in mop-up round. So it's very critical when to go for mop-up round, on what basis, because now you decide that it's better to go for mop-up round during the counseling process based on the current scenario and trends. Okay, you have to take the decision, and we talk to many candidates, so we have like idea that what is the trend and what are their thought process, and how it's different from last year, so what decision to take. Now coming to the NMC bill. See, NMC bill this year is going to get implemented partially. When I say partially, MP has already implemented and notified that 42.5% seats out of 85% seats will be on government tuition fee. The fee regulatory body has not decided the fee yet and is not published on the official platform. So that's pending. Second thing, do any state going to implement the NMC bill as Madhya Pradesh have implemented? As of now, there is no official confirmation. But let's think about deemed universities. The NMC 50% bill mentioned that all private and deemed universities need to have their 50% seats converted on government tuition fee or equivalent to government tuition fee. Talking about the deemed universities, the registration process already started. Okay, the registration process already started, and they don't have any mention of NMC bill during registration process. Okay, and just in 4 days the choice filling is going to start. So it will be almost impossible for all India counseling to implement the NMC 50% bill for deemed colleges, because the registration they have done already. And after the registration, someone who just want to opt for government colleges, if they get a chance to go for 50% government quota seat, if NMC gets implemented there, then how they will ask them to change the registration? And in short duration, it's very difficult, because they couldn't do it in last 3 to 4 months, and in next 4 days it's very difficult. So I am just ruling out that it will implement in deemed university. Now talking about other private colleges where the registration or notification is published, like Gujarat state, Rajasthan, Punjab, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Pondicherry, Kerala. So nowhere in Kerala, the High Court has clearly mentioned that it won't implement. Okay, so there also it's clear that it won't implement. Talking about the other state where the registration notification is published, there is no mention of NMC bill. So as of now, we can consider that in those states at least, the NMC bill is not coming. And on what ground they have to implement? Why Madhya Pradesh got agreed that it's good to go with NMC bill? If you talk about MBBS admission in Madhya Pradesh, okay, there was a scholarship program. Okay, so many seats were given on the scholarship program. So the college management didn't have any problem there. Okay, to convert the seat on the government seat, 50% seats, because they will be getting some benefits from government side also in the coming years. Okay, and their private college quality will also improve. So considering those factors, they might have got agreed. Okay, but what about other states? It's difficult to come to a conclusion, because right now from our sources we are not able to get any confirmation about the NMC bill getting implemented in any of other states than MP. So it's difficult to sort it out in coming um, few days, because from 25th the choice filling has to start, and by 4th the result has to get published. So how many more days we have? Hardly a week of time. Okay, and now talking about seat increment. See, NMC is not a source where you should see the seat increment progress. NMC is independent body and is not authorized or doesn't have liability to update the seats uh, in synchronization with the approval process. They post the seats much later than the seats are approved. So if you want to check the seat matrix, NMC is not the platform, which is the right platform where the counseling getting conducted. So on MCC only you have to check the seat matrix, the final seat matrix, and then only we will able to know how many seats got incremented. Hardly 1500 seats got added as per the NMC this year. More than this, it got added last year. Okay, so you don't consider now that seats have increased officially many. Okay, but behind the scene many approval have come. Okay, and you will get to know when the seat matrix gets published on MCC, maybe on tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Okay, because 15th was the last date for giving LOPs, and now they would be in process to sort out all the process to bring it on intra portal, intra MCC, and then from intra MCC to MCC portal. As per the sources, I got update that in NB diploma, the seat increment is almost double. Okay, and in DNB also around 1,000 of seats got incremented, and in government colleges around 4 to 5,000 seats got incremented. So cumulatively around 6,000 or more than that seats you can expect as on whole in DNB, NB diploma, government and private. Okay, minimum this figure. That we will come to know. In private colleges, more seats got increment compared to deemed university this year. Okay, you might have seen as per the last previous videos, in some of the states the seat got just double for few branches. Okay, so that's all update from my side. Okay, I'll keep you updated, and for all such updates please be in touch, and you can call us on the number 9319128677. Thanks for watching.